Hello everyone, I'm Abbas Raza, coach and trainer in Dilsukhnagar branch. From our branch, one candidate is placed in a recruited company. Now we will get to know how many rounds they have attended and we will get to know their interview experience. Okay. Now introduce yourself.
My name is Sai Vamshi. I am from Nalgonda district. I completed my BTech easy in 2023 at Mahatma Gandhi University. I currently placed as a software engineer. Institute helped me a lot improving my coding skills and technical knowledge, and they conducted presentations which improved my communication skills, and they also conducted mock interviews which helped me in improving my interview technical skills, and I would like to thank the faculty.
Now we will get to know how many rounds they have attended in interview.
And first round is aptly and coding. Second round is technical, which they ask on mostly technicals, and third round is on HR. I got placed in Albania as software engineer.
Now we will get to know your suggestions for job seekers.
I would suggest everyone to just improving communication skills and technical knowledge on subjects, and doing projects will help in cracking these exams.
We are happy that you have placed in company and you got a job. Best of luck for your future. Hare Krishna.